Hello, 0atb0atLers. Today we're playing Amber Skull. I suppose, yeah, let's just get right into it. Hold on, I need to full screen this. Let's put in Blizzard. Prepare to hide. Alright. Well, I apologize I haven't uploaded in a little bit. I've just been... I'm not going to turn that on. It's going to start. Oh, there we go. Alright. Jeez Louise, I need to turn the volume down. What the heck? Am I in Antarctica? Is that getting closer? Suppose we can follow this thing. This is a little freaky. It's really loud too. Holy moly. Huh. Oh my god. Holy moly. What was that thing? Dude, that's freaky. Freaking Bigfoot out here. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a close one. Jeez Louise. Holy crap, holy. I think he went that way, so we should be fine. Oh man. Uh-oh. I think I'm dead. What the heck? Okay. Alright, we're fine, we're fine. Deep breaths, we're okay. I heard him stomping around over there. We only do one more. My god. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. We're okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We got it under control. We have it under control. Let him walk away. Let him walk away. Okay. It's all under control. I went the wrong way. Okay. We're fine. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What am I supposed to do here? Am I supposed to go around? Okay. Jeez Louise. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Alright, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Okay. It's alright. Everything is under control. I heard him walking around. You can hear him walking. Oh, yep, there he is. Now you just gotta let him walk away. Come on. Oh, you gotta be. He got blown up. He done got blown up. Bro done got blown up. What? He just... Bro turned into a rock. Well, that was Blizzard. We have 3 more games to complete after... Shut up. 3 more games to Forest, Ocean, and Abandon. I think I have to do these in order, so... We do Forest next, then Ocean, then Abandon. But I think that's going to do it for today's video. Kind of a short one, but it's a comeback special, so... You know, it just works. Have a good rest of your week, 0atb0atLers. See you later.